this one here, we can utilize it here, or there.
In one way or another, any industrial activity leads directly or indirectly to some form of pollution, whether it's air pollution or water pollution. And it's here where we intervene, on the water side. And we intervene in a way that we treat water for recycling purposes. We treat water in such a way that fresh water is no longer used for industrial aspects. The water is all the time recycled, all the time treated, and it has a cycle within the industrial environment without ending to pollution and without affecting the drinkable water resources.
APATEQ focuses on selected niche markets in which a lot of water is present, and that water needs some kind of treatment. And here we have developed systems that address those treatment needs, and where we offer compact solutions which are enabling the customer to reduce their operation costs. We see huge potentials in the areas, for example, of oil and gas, where we have a product that treats the produced water, the water which comes out with the oil and gas when the extraction happens. A second area which we are very much focusing on is the scrub water treatment, the water that originates on large ships when the exhaust gases are cleaned.
The Innovation Award is for our new product, the MarinePaq. And the MarinePaq takes care of the wastewater from large vessels, where the exhaust gases from engines will be washed. And this wash water contains a lot of contaminations, especially heavy metals, high COD concentrations, extremely high salt concentration, which is coming out from the washing of the exhaust gases, and as well soot particles. And with our MarinePaq, we can take care of all these different kind of materials. That's completely different to existing systems, which take care only of one or two of these different kind of materials. And with our MarinePaq, we can clean up the scrub water to a high purified water, which can be flushed out into the sea or into the harbor.
First of all, we want to set up references in the domains we have targeted to be active in, and later on to develop these activities and to have more and more plants installed, and finally, and this is the final goal, to end up in cleaning more and more water, ending up obviously with a better environment. APATEQ is a young company, but a very dynamic company. Actually, we are about 16, but when we have started 3 years ago, we were only 6. So we are moving pretty fast, I believe.